بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة.
Surah Al-Humza. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Woe to every person who gestures at you and slanders you, O Prophet. He who amassed wealth and has counted it over. He thinks that his wealth has rendered him immortal. By no means. Ye shall surely be plunged into that which crushes into pieces. And what do you know what that which crushes is? A fire kindled by God, which will reach the hearts. These rebellious people will be enshrouded in it, fettered and fastened to high columns.